Okay, so today we are going to be learning how to shave head and include a skin fade. So this gentleman is going to have a number one all over, but just to make it a little bit different and a little bit more styled, we're going to do a skin fade up into it. So we start off with the skin fade at the bottom. On your clippers you have this lever here. This is a taper lever. So we want to make sure that's down so the hair is being cut at the shortest point it can. You'll see if you play around with it a little bit, you can open and close those clippers, and we want them to be closed. So you start with your comb and you're going to go up against the hair and the way the hair grows and take it up as far as you want it to go. This might take quite a few goes as the hair's quite long. So just go up to the point you want the shortest bit. For those of you that have just started doing this, probably don't go too high. But just take it up to where you want it to be. It's a good idea to follow the bone of the skull, as that gives you a good guide to follow. Make sure you get all those little neck hairs. A good way to go is from the temples back, and then it's not too high. So then as you come up to the next bit, you're going to open that guard up and pull that lever down to make it longer, and that's going to blend in that zero into the next stage and slightly angle it out to kind of create it straight. Don't go up against the head, otherwise you're going too short. You need to angle it out slightly as you pull up through the hair. Just keep blending that, where that line is that you've just put in, keep blending that up through. So then you can get your number one clipper attachment and attach it, and then close that lever down again to make it as short, and then you can go across the head. And same again, always making sure that you go against the way the hair grows. Keep combing it so you can see you haven't missed any bits and the way bits are falling. You see when you get to the crown, the hair kind of swirls around in a pattern. So you have to make sure you go round with that. As you finish, you can see all those little bits that have been missed, so you just need to keep going over those. Clear all the hair away, and you may notice some little neck hairs or some little hairs that you've missed over the ears. What you can do to catch them is to take the guard back off your clippers, make it closed, and just kind of use that bit just to go over that neck and get any bits or strays that are still there. And there we have it, a number one all over into a skin fade.